today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hazy. I'm a working mom. No, not anymore. I'm on a maternity leave. So I'm a mom of a 3-year-old toddler named Alina, and I am currently 33 weeks pregnant with our baby number 2. I just dropped off Alina and so I'm just on my way home, and I decided to grab a coffee before I get home. So I'm just gonna quietly enjoy my coffee, and then I'll set up my alarm and just clean the house only for 20 minutes. So I have 20 minutes to clean up the house.
It's only been a few days since I tried this new cleaning method called the TikTok timer method. You basically decide how much time you're able to spend cleaning, then set a timer, start cleaning immediately, and stop when the timer goes off. It's not enough time to deep clean the entire house, but it's a good reminder that not everything needs to happen at once, and you'll be amazed how much you can get done in just a few minutes. I'm done with my 20-minute short burst of cleaning, and I just need a moment. Now I'm going to make a chunky yarn bag. It's my first time hand knitting something and I don't know how to do it, but I found this YouTube tutorial, so I'm just gonna wing it. Guys, guess how long it took me to make this bag? Less than an hour. Isn't it really cute? I love how this bag turned out. I think it's the most satisfying and productive activity you can do when you are heavily pregnant.
Oh, that'll do.
I decided to make another bag, one for myself and one for Alina. For the second time around, it took me less than half an hour.
Fold in here. Perfect. I'm gonna go to the gym with my new bag.
우회전 taking a ride to Jonathan 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 하고 싶었던 춤이 다 골라 어디든 갈 거야 수박은 바다 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥